your girl Amari here. Welcome back to my channel, LIVE.LOVE.LLOYD. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam, and also turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when sis upload new videos. So you guys, I received my second Boxy charm, and I not too long ago, actually I think just maybe like a week ago, put up my first Boxy charm. I received my second Boxy charm, which is for the month of May. So the first one I received was for April. I received this one I want to say like a few days ago, and I finally tried out all the products, so like let's get right into it. So one of the items that I received for this month of my Boxy charm was the Gerard Cosmetics Ecstasy lip pencil, and I really enjoy the consistency of it. I really enjoy the color payoff of it. However, this is not like a lip pencil that I would use for if I'm going for like a natural look. I would only use it, like as you can see what I'm doing in the video, I'm using it as a liner for my actual pink lip gloss. But on a normal day, I wouldn't be using an actual pinky nude lip pencil anyway. I would always use a brown lip pencil to line any of my lipsticks that I'm wearing or any of my lip glosses that I'm wearing. But that does not negate the fact that it is a good consistency, and I will definitely be using it. The next product that I received is the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer, and in my last Boxy charm I received the eyeshadow palette from them, but this month I received the eyeshadow primer. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, when I first put this on my lid, I'm like, what the hell is going on? This is very hydrating. My eyelids are already oily. Like, I don't think this is gonna work. But then I kept playing and rubbing it in, and as you rub the primer in, it eventually does become tacky, and I knew, okay, this is when it's dry, and this is when you can actually add the eyeshadow to it. So you definitely do want to apply it and continue to rub the primer into your skin until you feel the tackiness, and that's when you know that the primer is ready for the eyeshadow application. I was about to be like, no, this is trash, I don't want it, but it is a really good primer, and I actually used the primer to do my eye look today. So yes, I ain't gonna lie, I've grabbed this primer since I've had it. I've grabbed this primer 4 times already, so yes. The next product I'm going to talk about is the product that I love the most, which is my Violet Voss Essential eyeshadow palette. Y'all, look at this palette. It's just so beautiful. First of all, I've used this palette since I've had it. I told you I think I got the box a few days ago. I used the palette 3 times already. I used this palette 3 times already. I used it for this look, so 3 times including today. So I use it for this look, and I just live for this palette. It's called Essentials, and I think this is like the perfect name for the palette because it definitely have essential colors. You can go do any look. You can do a smoky matte look. You can do a shimmery dramatic look. You can do a calm cool look. Like, well, I'm not gonna say calm cool because they don't necessarily have like cool tone colors, but you can definitely get several looks. Like I said, I already did 3 looks including this look, and they all came out bomb. So I'm really enjoying this palette. The color payoff is bombdiggity.com, and for me, what I do to intensify my eyeshadow, I spray my brushes with my MAC Fix Plus, so I intensify my shadows that way. And listen, I'm telling y'all, it's amazing. I don't know, you tell me what your thoughts are, but I really enjoy using this palette, and I definitely will be grabbing this palette way more than I'm doing because listen, the name does it no justice, I'm telling you. So the next product that I'm grabbing is the Elemis, excuse me if I'm butchering the name, but it's called Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, Skin Smoothing Pad. Would use for your face. One side is a gritty side, the other side is a smooth side. The gritty side, that's what I use. I use the gritty side to wipe it on my skin. I rub it on my entire face, my forehead, my cheeks. I mainly focus on my cheek area. I rub it in a little bit more because that's really my problem area for my face. So I focus more on my cheek area. But since I've had this product, they say for you to use it day and night. Since I've had this product, I've been using it, I want to say for the last 3 or 4 days, and I definitely noticed a difference in my skin. It looks a little bit brighter than normal, but I have been doing other things as well to, like, you know, even out my skin tone and prepare my skin for the summer, because I'm trying to look like a baddie. But yeah, so I definitely have been doing other things, but I definitely noticed a difference with this pad. But once I am finished the entire container, then I will give like my real thoughts. But so far so good. And last but not least, for May's Boxy Charm is my Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. That was a mouthful. And it also removes waterproof mascara. So one of the things I noticed is that this makeup wipe is way more hydrating than the makeup wipes that I used in the past. I actually stopped using makeup wipes on my face. I now use olive oil to remove my makeup, and then I go in with baby wipes, or I'll use the baby wipes first and then go in with the olive oil. But I stopped using makeup removing wipes because I just felt like they weren't hydrating enough. But this makeup removing wipe is actually very hydrating, and it removed all my makeup. And one of the things that I love the most about it is because it is so hydrating, underneath my eye didn't feel like it was bothered or irritated at all. So I really enjoyed that. And I also know that it left a slight radiant glow to my skin. I don't know if it's because both the resurfacing pad and the makeup wipes have like some system of brightening and evening out the skin tone, but I did notice a slight difference in the radiance as far as my skin goes. But that is it for this month's Boxy Charm. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it out. If you do get the Boxy Charm, show me some of the Violet Voss looks that you guys came up with. I love you guys, and as always, remember to live, love you. Bye guys.